ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Okay, students, we'll do some simple problems. You are given data like this. Form arithmetic progression with the given data. First example is A is given as 10, D is given as 10. What do you mean by A? First term. Common difference. For the first problem I am writing 10. Now form the arithmetic progression. What is that you have to do? In order to form the progression, you need to write the list of terms. The list should have first term, second term, third term, fourth term, so on. What is the first term? 10. How to get the second term? You add the difference to the first term. What is the difference? 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Add 10 to 20, 30, 40, 50, so on. It is looking like 10th table, am I right? 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 ones are means first term, 10 twos are second term, 3 third term, 4 40. So this is the IAP. Understood? Now let us take the second example. What is A? Minus 2. What is D? 0. You can write arithmetic progression with the help of formula also. What is the formula? A plus D, A plus 2D, so on. What is A? Minus 2. A plus D, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2. Again A plus 2D, add 0 to this second one, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, so on. It is looking like the same number repeated. What is the common difference here? 0. What do you mean by common difference 0? There is no progress. There is no progress at all. First ball bowled, the score is 3 runs. Second ball bowled, no runs made, 3. Third ball bowled, no runs made, same score. You can see in cricket score, sometimes you will look at this kind of score. First batsman will hit 6 and the second he will go to 1 run and the second batsman will come back. So he made 7 runs. Next batsman is taking the third ball, no runs made, score is 7. After the third ball, after the fourth ball, no runs made, after the fifth ball, no runs made. If continuously for the next 50 balls, if there are no runs made at all no runs made, then you can see the same sequence, same number repeated. Am I right?
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach, a cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
It is also arithmetic progression. It is our day-to-day numerical example. In day-to-day life, we can see this example. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. I will tell you one more example. It is very interesting. You go to a shop and ask for a matchbox. What is the cost of a matchbox? You will say 1 rupee. Second day, you will go and ask. Same 1 rupee. Third day, 1 rupee. Fourth day, 1 rupee. Fifth day, 1 rupee. Look at the numbers 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, so on. First day rate is 1. Second day rate is 1. Third day rate is 1. List the rates, list the price of the matchbox for the next 15 days or 20 days. Same number. That is what is arithmetic progression. So when the common difference is the same, which is either 0 or the same number, you will get the arithmetic progression. In this case, common difference being 0, you will get the same number repeated. Suppose I ask you one question, what is the second term? Minus 2. What is the 10th term? Same answer, minus 2. What is the 100th term? Same answer, minus 2. What is the 50th term? Same answer, minus 2. Any number of terms, the same answer, minus 2. Now let us take the third example. I am directly writing the progression because we are now going by this method or any method. First write first term. Add the common difference 4 minus 3. Add means it is not 4 plus 3. 4 plus minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. So on. So this is also arithmetic progression. Is it a upward progression or downward progression? Downward progression. Why you are getting the progression decreased in the downward moment? Because the difference is minus 3. First examination, he got 25 marks out of 25. Second examination, minus 2, 23 marks. Third examination, 21 marks. So the marks are going down. The difference is minus 2. That means he is every time an examination is conducted, he is getting 2 marks less than the previous examination. So it is our day-to-day life example, in which you can see the difference is negative here. Here the difference is positive. When the difference is positive, it goes up. When the difference is negative, it goes down. This is also arithmetic progression. Look at the next one. The difference is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a fraction. Can we take 1 by 2 as a fraction? Yes. What is 1 by 2? 0.5. It is like 50 paisa, atana. 1 rupee divided into 2 parts is 50 plus 50 paise. Am I right? Now how to form the arithmetic progression? 1, 1.5, 1 rupee 50 paisa, 2 rupees 2.0, 2 rupees 50 paisa, 3 rupees, so on. You can write it with the help of this particular difference also, or you can say 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Next 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 4 by 2. Next is 5 by 2. Next is 6 by 2, so on. In short, 1, 3 by 2, 4 by 2 is 2, 5 by 2 is the same fraction, 6 by 2 is 3. You can look at this here. 1, 2, in between 1 and 2 you get 3 by 2. In between 2 and 3 you get 2.5, 2 and half, and so on. If I ask you the next term, it is 3 and half. Next one 4, 4 and half, 5, 5 and half, and so on. Is it not very interesting? Very interesting. This is a very interesting AP because of the fraction. Fraction is half. So because the common difference is half, it is increasing by half. Here you can see it is a negative first term and a negative common difference. So let us start with minus 1.25. Minus 1.25. From this minus 1.25, what you have to do? Add this minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. It is minus 1.50 minus 1.75 and so on. The next one is minus 2, the next one is minus 2.25, the next one is minus 2.5, so on. So, when it is written in terms of fractions, we can continue to write in fractions, or you can change it also. What is a minus 1.25? How do you change it? This is minus 1.25 is written as minus 125 by 100. Am I right? 25 will go minus 5 by 4. Now, you can start with minus 5 by 4 and what is this 0.25? 25 by 100, 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. So, minus 5 by 4, minus 1 by 4, it is minus 6 by 4, minus 7 by 4, minus 8 by 4 and so on. What is the fourth term here? Minus 8 by 4. Minus 8 by 4 is minus 2. You can look at here 1, 2, 3, next term is minus 2. Tally it or not? This is easy to write. Am I right? This is very easy to write in terms of fractions. If it is in negative, you can write even that way also. The next part is a word problem. Suppose I will ask you one word problem like this. It suits in our day to day life. You go outside on one Sunday, you want to go somewhere by auto. You call the auto fellow and ask, what does he say? The auto is pre-metered, it is a metered auto. The meter starts with, say for example, minimum fare is 20 rupees, he will say, for 1 kilometer. Thereafter, it is 8 rupees. What do you call, how do you write the arithmetic progression? So, in the word problem, auto problem, minimum fare is 20 rupees per km. Thereafter, 8 rupees per km. That means, suppose you want to go 10 kilometers. How does it start? First kilometer is 20 rupees. Am I right? After 1 kilometer, even if you get down below 1 kilometer, you have to pay 20 rupees. After 1 kilometer till second kilometer, you have to travel and pay extra 8 rupees, 28 rupees. Next is 28 plus 8, 36 rupees. Next is 36 plus 8, 42 rupees. So, you can write this as numbers 20, 28, 36, 42, so on. It is an arithmetic progression. How this word problem is generally explained in the examination or asked in the examination. Try to form the progression by taking the following data. A auto driver demands rupees 20 for the first 1 kilometer as a minimum fare, and thereafter he charges 8 rupees per every kilometer. Then try to form a progression. Minimum fare is 20 rupees, which is fixed as the first term. Common difference is 8 rupees. So, from the first term onwards, the fare is increased by 8 rupees for every 1 kilometer. So, it is like for every 1 kilometer, for every one next term, the difference is the same. So, he is going to charge 8 rupees for every next kilometer. With that, the word problem is over. Now, we are going to discuss nth term.